Welcome back to a new video. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here, go to click page up, then you're gonna go slowly onto avatar, make it quite tiny, then Shift D or Shift S. It's kind of tough, it takes tons of practice, but you will get the hang of it, guys. It can be frustrating, yes it can. Oh my god, this is so tough, honestly. So, page up, go down, make it turn. Look at the floor, Shift S. There you go. I am now into the Big Brother house, guys. Did you just see that motion? Did you just see that? I can do this one more time. So guys, I'll be showing you one more time. Now, first what you're gonna do is first you're gonna look at right here. Do this. Page up. Go into your avatar. Make a turn right here and Shift S. Bam, bam, bam. You are now in the Big Brother house, guys. Guys, it takes tons of practice. Page up is that thing. You know where the numbers are? Right on top of it. Look at that, guys. Yes, that is how you successfully get into the Big Brother house. And then you can do whatever you want. Dab, slushy, dab. Okay, guys, so yeah. Basically, that is how you get into the Big Brother house. Leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you guys liked my new video. Bye.